Hello and welcome to EduShastra. Here we have a graphical interpretation problem of IR. Let's start. Over here, we are given a curve. First of all, this is a supply and demand curve. And in this curve, what is important are a couple of parameters. One is that you have both these curves. The demand curve is a decreasing and the supply curve is an increasing one. They meet at an equilibrium point over here. And further on, it is defining for us the consumer and producer surplus, which are obtained by drawing a horizontal line from the equilibrium point. Now, further, what is the problem saying is that if the population were to increase, raising the demand curve higher but not changing its shape. So essentially, we need to picturize this sort of change to the curve and then find that how the consumer and producer surplus would change, whether they increase, decrease, or remain the same. So essentially, if this shape is not changing and this is curve is going higher, it can be picturized somewhat like this, something like this. Its shape is not changing. So what will happen first of all? You will have an equilibrium point which is moving further apart over here. So with this new equilibrium point, you now need to just understand how the consumer and producer surplus are going to change. With this new sort of horizontal line defining your consumer and producer surplus, you find that this portion is getting removed. This portion was previously the consumer surplus, which is getting removed. And you find that there is a very proportionately higher region that now gets added on as well. So while this area gets subtracted, this larger area gets added to the new consumer surplus based on this horizontal line and this equilibrium point and this raised higher demand curve. So I can definitely say that my consumer surplus is, yes, it is going to increase due to this outside area, which is much higher than this subtracted area. So this is about the consumer surplus. For the producer surplus, you see that essentially this region which was subtracted and a little bit of this area as well is now getting added. So for the producer surplus, it is a clear positive area which is being added to this. So my producer surplus is also clearly increasing. So this is this region which is getting added on. So that was sort of the picturization that you needed to do with the given the graph and raising this curve higher. So that how it was analyzed with the graph. Thanks for watching and do subscribe to our channel.